on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious Indian sweet recipe, and I'm going to make besan with coconut. I'm using 1 cup besan. It's a shredded coconut and it's unsweetened. The whole coconut, and then you can put it in a grinder, or you can use a cheese grater to grate it. 1 cup sugar, and sugar is always to taste. Half cup desi ghee, clarified butter, it's a homemade. Regular milk, half cup. To garnish our delicious burfi, I'm going to use pistachios. And let's get started. Get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. First, we're going to bring desi ghee. Desi ghee started to melt. We're going to bring gas to medium. And I'll bring besan. Mix it well. And on medium gas, we're going to cook besan. So make sure it's nicely combined. Besan soak the desi ghee, which is clarified butter. And it's become really sticky. One thing, if you notice, even though I have a non-stick pan and it's sticking on the side or sticking at the bottom, our besan going to start cooking is going to release all the desi ghee and it won't stick anymore. Cooking our besan on a medium gas, if you notice that it start to change color for the last 3 minutes. And it's a halfway cooked, and also it's a release the desi ghee. Besan is nicely cooked and it released all the desi ghee. And now I'm going to bring the coconut and we're going to mix it. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the sugar and milk. It's nicely combined and we cook like a half minute. And now we'll bring sugar. And at the same time, I'll bring milk. And we're going to mix it well. And we're going to keep cooking until it's nicely cooked. And I'm not going to add any food color. It's strictly optional if you want to add it, but I'm not going to add it. This is very quick and easy recipe, and it's super delicious. Once it's going to start sticking together, that's where our burfi is made. At this moment, as you see, it's running. It's not sticking, it's not binding together. Cooking for 2 minutes, and if you see that we pulling the besan and coconut burfi is sticking together. And also it's not sticking at the bottom of the pan or on the side. It's keep coming together. So it's nicely cooked. This is what you need. When you roll it, it should move around like this. So this is all ready. So we cook additional 2 minutes after adding, and milk is also nicely cooked. One more indication, if you don't move it, stir it, and you see desi ghee start to ooze out. That is mean it's fully cooked. It's nicely done. And I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my pot greased up, and I will bring this one into our pot. See, this is what you need. As soon as you put the fry pan, it should come out itself. You really don't need to pull it, and we're going to pat it nicely. You can use the spatula or you can use the same ladle. Bring pistachios, so a good amount of pistachios. Spatula, I'm going to pat it. It's like this. So it's a good idea. When you press it, the pistachios go inside. When you cut it, they don't fall off. And now the cooling process will begin. We're going to let it sit on a countertop hour or so. Once it's going to cool down, it's going to be nice and firm, then we'll cut it. Our besan coconut burfi has been settled. What I did, I left it 1 hour outside on the countertop, and then I put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. It's nice and cold. I'm going to cut it. You can make rectangular pieces or diagonal pieces. I'm going to make diagonal piece. So I'm going to take it out, all the pieces. The corner one is harder, and then the rest we can take it out just like this. Look at how beautiful, nice pieces It's very tasty and delicious burfi. So I'll take it out and I'll share with you. Our quick and easy and very tasty, delicious Besan coconut the burfi is all ready. Please try it and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.